Hey guys, welcome back to the first video in 2019. See, the mistakes that are already done. 2020 guys, we're here reaching the 2-0 this time. Alright, so the first video in 2020 is a pretty special one. It's an unboxing of BAM! An iPad Air. First gen iPad Air, not the third one. 16GB silver, not 16 gigabyte space gray. And you probably noticed something. Yeah, check this out. It is still sealed again. So this is another sealed iPad that we're gonna do another unboxing of it. Again, new old stock. Yeah, there you go, new old stock. I'm recording with the wide angle camera of the iPhone 11 because if you use the normal camera, you guys cannot see the thing too much. So yeah, I'm using the wide camera. And yeah, so as usual, this thing was launched in 2013 and this thing has not been open since 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 6 years, I guess. 6-7 years, including 20, I guess. So yeah, again, this thing gonna be running iOS 7, judging by the wallpaper. So yes, let's open this thing up. And yeah, without any further ado, I'm gonna try to actually keep the plastic, but judging by how beat up the plastic, I mean, look at this. This one is already kind of open. This one is already broken. So I guess we're not gonna do that, I guess, right? So yeah, and hopefully the iPad will actually fit in the recording because I tried it as best as I can here. So yeah, holding this iPad one last time. And let's see, how am I do this? Yeah, it's just gonna do that. Okay, let's open the seal up in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's so satisfying when you're trying to open an Apple product. It's always been. Ooh, that's old plastic that's never been opened in years. Ooh, you see that? You see that? Okay, there it goes. There's a plastic. Ooh, so dull. Okay, so let's just open it like this. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, the plastic coming off. I don't want the plastic to come, so I'm gonna keep my best here. All right. So yeah, this is not really that great because I don't want the plastic to come up. Okay, so let's go. Come on, iPad Air. Oh, that smells so good. Hell yes. So yes, we successfully unboxed the iPad without the plastic opening up too much. Here's the iPad Air. Wow. Check that out. Let me back up a little bit. You guys cannot see that much. Okay. So adjust the camera again. Take the iPad. There it is. Wow, it actually fits on the screen. iPad, wow. Yeah, this thing actually feels so good. Wow. So iPad still doesn't work. This is also the first one you can see there with the toggle still right there. And yeah, button and everything, it still works. So I just put this to the side. It actually feels pretty good. Wow. And next we got a typical 12-watt charger, you know, typical. And we got the manual, which should include the SIM ejecting tool, yeah, because this is a cellular model. So, iPad Air, Lightning connector, iPad Air in Indonesian language. You can see that? Yeah, in Indonesian language, yes. So for my Indonesian people, hello everybody. Yes, I am from Indonesian. Yes, Indonesian certification mark. Yes. And how do I put this back? So, oh yeah, the info first, the Indonesian one first, second, see, limited 1-year warranty, of course, because that this iPad just got activated. The warranty just started today as January 24. So tomorrow is Chinese New Year. So happy Chinese New Year for those of you guys who celebrate it. And we got an untouched 7-year-old lightning cable right there. Alright, so let's put this all to the side and let's unvirginize this iPad. Aduh, Jesus fucking Christ! I already dropped it. Wow. Oh yeah, they actually don't have a cover. Look at that. They don't cover the whole corner. I could just damage that iPad. Wow, Apple. Jeez. All right. So let's open this up in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that feels so frippin' good, boys. Hell yes. Oh, this big ass board iPad. Oh, oh yes. Keep the plastic just like the mini one. I also bought the mini one. If you guys remember, like a couple of videos ago, I do bought iPad mini 1. Still using it. Hold on. I do still use it right here as my main iPad because this thing honestly is still usable on iOS 7. Who the hell do you guys think iOS 7 is not usable? No, you guys are wrong. iOS 7 is still very usable. Alright, so let me put the box, everything back in, and I'll get to the iPad. Okay guys, here's the iPad Air. Again, I'm sorry for the kind of baddish quality because I'm recording with the wide angle lens on the iPhone 11 Pro. And yeah, already getting fingerprints and everything. It feels way more compact than the iPad 3rd generation, like the old one, because this is the first iPad that has the smaller bezel, and wow, yeah, this thing is very, very good. Ooh, fingerprints all over it. So I'm not gonna touch it too much though, because I will put a screen protector and tempered glass soon, but not now because I don't have any of them nearby, and the battery's dead, just like the mini one. So yeah, let's charge it up, and I'll be back when this thing is powered up. Well guys, it's the next morning and I left this iPad charging the whole night and it got 100%. Yeah, look at that. It is just looking pretty good actually. Wow. Should I use this iPad or not? So yeah, there's the iPad. It's turning on iOS 7.1. It's already at 99. Ooh, that's bad. It's running iOS 7.1ish because when I try to shut it down, it's got the iOS 7 wallpaper, and of course got the new start to power off versus the iPad mini that I have here. So if you turn this thing off, I mean, you get the old arrow. First, oh god, I almost dropped it with the iPad. So yeah, new start to power off on iOS 7.1 versus the old one. Also the 7.1 has a faster animation. But it is what it is. It's still running iOS 7, so I don't really mind. So let's set this iPad up. Okay, so it activated. So my key here before it knows there's new software is I use a mobile hotspot, then I turn it off because you can actually just activate normally without it. And let's go to the iPad in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, wow, yeah. That's very good. Okay. Looks very responsive. Okay, let's go to settings. Let's go to about. Oh, it's running the latest version of iOS 7, 7.1.2. Okay, very good. Now we're gonna block this thing. So this is my way, at least, to block an update on a new device. So because for some reason I already blocked it on this iPad, right? And it's still finding out there's an update. So you can see that it still get the 1, but after I go to software update, don't worry, it still got blocked. Okay, so now let's block the update. Let's turn on the hotspot a little bit. Turn it on. Okay, see if it's connected. It's connected. Let's immediately jump to Safari. Go to Beta Profiles. Beta Profile, and the first one, betaprofiles.com. Scroll all the way down so we don't have to waste any more time. It should be down here. There we go. Mac OS, tvOS. There you go. This is it, the one for the block update. So we can also use the tvOS 13 one, but I'm just gonna use this one, tvOS 12. See, you're not fast enough, guys. We need to be fast enough. See, we already found out there's iOS 12 for this thing. We need to be faster than that, right? So yeah, it is what it is. It worked, I guess. All right, so we got a 1. God, we got a 1. So you know what? I'm gonna do it by myself. I'm gonna reset this iPad again because it doesn't really have anything anyway. I'm gonna reset it. I just want to clear that little 1, but here it is, the iPad Air, running smoothly. Let's see here, photos. Oh, we got the hello screen. Let's take a screenshot of it. But yeah, look at that. Very nice, very smooth, very quick. As you can see the quick animations thanks to 7.2. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this unboxing of this iPad Air, this brand spanking new iPad Air that hasn't been unboxed in I think 6-7 years. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.